Hi everyone, I'm Jack Bennett and today we're diving into the brand new Donner Beatmax electronic drum kit. This thing is a big step up from Donner's 300X and sits nicely in the upper intermediate E-kit market. Let's start with the box. Everything is packed cleanly and clearly labelled. You get the drum module with a 7-inch touchscreen, the cable harness which actually routes inside the frame pipes, more on that later, power supply, mesh pads, cymbals, hardware and a double brace snare stand which immediately tells you Donner is aiming a bit higher here. Quick heads up, there's no drum throne included, so you'll need your own seat. Pad-wise, all the drums are bigger than the 300X. You get a 12-inch mesh snare, 3 10-inch toms, and an 8-inch mesh kick tower. The kick tower handles a double kick pedal, but you do get a basic Donner kick pedal and hi-hat pedal in the box. And I'll be honest, I'll probably swap out the kick pedal straight away. Cymbals, you get a 12-inch hi-hat, 2 dual-zone 12-inch crashes, and a 14-inch triple-zone ride. All 3 cymbals are chokeable, and you've got 4 metal cymbal arms, including a dedicated shorter arm for the hi-hat, which helps everything stay rock solid. These arms are a lot better than the arms provided on the 300X. The rack is aluminium, compact and feels solid, and has an interesting lock system on the corners of the 2 side panels. But the real upgrade here is the cabling system. Instead of a jungle of long individual leads running back to the module like many modules have, most of the wiring is now routed inside the rack tubing. There are connection points around the frame, so you plug each pad in locally and it keeps everything clean and professional. It's a huge win. The kit looks neat in a studio or on camera straight out of the box. The mesh pads feel tighter and more responsive than previous Donner kits. The snare is a big highlight. You get 3 distinct sounds: head, rim, and rim shot. This module is where Donner has gone next level. You get a 7-inch full-colour touchscreen, and yes, it's actually a touchscreen, so navigating kits, menus and editing is fast and intuitive. There are 160 built-in practice songs and even rudimental training apps with real-time accuracy feedback. Super cool for students, teachers or anyone drilling chops. You've got 1,100 drum sounds, 100 drum kits, and they're very usable. Big dynamic range, nice cymbal tails, punchy kicks, and the velocity layers feel way more natural than the older Donner modules. You've also got Bluetooth audio, USB, MIDI, aux-in, SD card slot, all the modern I/O stuff you'd expect on a much more expansive module. What blew me away is how deep the processing goes. You've got full mixing tools and effects groups, including 3-band EQ on every pad, tuning and muffling per instrument, compressor, filter and reverb options, master compressor across pad channels. This all means you can dial in studio-tight snares, fat kick drums, dry controlled toms, or go big, roomy and ambient. It's not a toy module, it's actually mix ready. Once you start playing, everything feels solid. Low latency, expressive dynamic range, and it's a super quiet kit, perfect for apartments and home studios. The snare rim shot and bell articulation of the ride makes the kit feel natural, not electronic. It's a massive jump up from the 300X in terms of realism and responsiveness. final thoughts, would I use this live? With a couple of adjustments, I think I would. The pads, frame and module are fine. I'd definitely swap out the kick pedal, and to be honest, I'd probably also swap out the snare stand to just a higher grade one. It's great that they've included one, but I just prefer a really sturdy snare stand. But other than that, it's pretty much all there. Well done to Donna on this kit. It's a serious competitor in the upper mid-range E-kit market.